Are you trying to figure out which streaming tool is better for you? Today we are comparing Streamyard and Riverside. Both are popular choices for live streaming and recording, but they have some key differences. Both Streamyard and Riverside help you create high quality videos. They let you stream live or record interviews. You can use them for podcasts, webinars, or even just to connect with your audience. Let's start with StreamYard. This tool is user friendly and works right in your browser. You can invite guests easily and add graphics and overlays. It's great for live shows because it allows you to stream to multiple platforms at once. Now, let's look at Riverside. This tool is known for its high quality audio and video. It records each participant locally, which means better quality. Riverside also offers advanced editing features after your recording is done. It's perfect if you want a polished final product. So, what are the main differences? StreamYard focuses on live streaming with a simple setup. Riverside, on the other hand, is all about high quality recordings and editing. Choose StreamYard if you want to go live quickly and easily. Go for Riverside if you need top notch quality and editing options. When it comes to pricing, StreamYard offers a free version with basic features. Riverside has a free trial too, but its paid plans focus more on quality and extra features. In the end, if you want a straightforward live streaming experience, StreamYard is a solid choice. If quality and editing are your top priorities, Riverside might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.